guys, and welcome back to my cooking channel. Hope you guys are well. Really appreciate you tuning in and watching what I'm doing, and I hope you guys are copying me or learning from it, which people are actually. I've got quite a few messages saying that they've done this and tried that, and it honestly makes it worthwhile. You know, I'll keep doing it until people get bored, and once people get bored and no one's bothered about it, then I'll start going to the restaurants and I'll get takeaways. But for now, let me try and show you what things that I can cook and that I can make really simple for you guys to copy and recreate. Jake's going to be bugging me today because I'm using beef. As I say, he's always around. Anyway, Jake, give me a minute, 1 second. Today, as you probably well know, we're going to make beef burgers. I'm going to make 4 different types. The ingredients, which will basically make all 4 different types. As I say, some of them won't need all the ingredients, some will use a little bit less. You're going to need 1 kilo of ground beef, minced beef, 20% if possible, 15 to 20% fat. Don't get anything less because you're going to need the fat, because fat's going to drip out and you don't want a dry burger. So 20% if possible, 1 kilo. Let's say if you're going to do half a kilo, so you can do it for like 3 or 4 people, and you only need less, then reduce the quantity of the ingredients by half or whatever you're going to do, or double if you're going to do loads for a barbecue. So basically 1 kilo of beef, you're going to need 1 onion, which we're going to grate, 2 egg yolks, 2 egg yolks there, salt, pepper, and the 2 real big ingredients for 2 of them is going to be barbecue sauce and Worcestershire sauce. Those are these 2. These 2 will make a huge difference, and this one is awesome. Honestly, it's amazing. They're both amazing. Actually, all 4 of them are amazing. You know, if you like simple things, just a burger I want to make, and you'll see what I mean as I go along. And Cara, hopefully, will be testing them to see which one she likes or what she thinks of all 4 of them. So hopefully she'll come down a little bit later. Okay, so I can make all 4 types. I'm going to start with the basic ingredients: salt and pepper. They're all going to have salt and pepper in it. So about a teaspoon of salt. And about a teaspoon again of pepper. Oh, it's a bit squeaky. There we go. And we're going to mix this all up. It's mixed really well. Hi, Jake. Jake's here with me. You can smell the beef. What I'm going to do is create a small burger for testing. See what Cara thinks of it. It's only a little one, there we go. Second burger, we're going to add 2 egg yolks. There we go. And grated onion. Some people chop the onion up into small pieces and put it in, but I prefer it grated, because at least when it's grated, it infuses better with the meat, I think. So I'd rather just grate it on, so it goes really into the mix. And also, it holds it together better, because if you do small pieces of onion, it can split the burger. Okay, that's grated onion. Oh jeez. Okay. And now what we do, mix it all up. Okay, wait, I'll give you some more. Eyes. Not good. Okay. Okay, so that's the second one. I'm going to make a small one here. Small burger that we can test later. The third way is going to be with barbecue sauce. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a small piece out. Normally, if you're going to do the barbecue sauce one, you're doing 1 kilo, add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, or 1/4 of a cup, and then mix it up. And that'll give you the barbecue sauce one, which will be really nice as well. So I'm going to make a small one with barbecue sauce. First I've got a little bit of barbecue sauce out, and then you can mix it all up, and then you've got the barbecue sauce one. This one's really nice as well. Actually, they're all going to be really nice, I can tell you that much. But which one's the best, it's all up to you, it's a matter of taste. Okay, so we've now got the barbecue sauce one. Okay, Now I'm going to do what I wanted to do was a Worcestershire sauce. So basically, I'm going to make it filthy now. Okay. It was 2 to 3 tablespoons. Oh, I'm going to have to wash it later. 1, 2, 3. I'll give it an extra 3. There we go. Now, as I said before, with these, it's a matter of taste. It's how much you want to add. Some people don't want too much, some people want it stronger. So it depends on how much you want to add. So when I say 2 to 3 tablespoons, you can add more, or maybe slightly less. Okay, so now I'm going to make the 4th burger that we're going to do a test run on. Okay, now you basically, a lot of people, well, quite a few people weigh it out. So they do a quarter pounder, half pounder, pounds, whatever they want to do it in. Grams, choice is yours. I just prefer grabbing a big chunk and making a nice big fat burger. Don't tighten it don't squeeze it too much. As I say, to keep it loose. There we go. Look at that, lovely, lovely big round burger. I don't want it to be perfectly round. I want it to look like it's a professionally done burger and none of these machine done. Let's look at it. It's huge, but that's the way I like it. Done. There we go, all done. Now, what I want to do is get the pan really hot, and I'm going to first grill these on here quickly. Basically, when you put the sauces on, you don't want it soaking into the bread to make the bread all soft. You basically want it to be crispy at the top so it doesn't soak it all in. Nice and crispy. That, when you put sauce on it, should be nice, and it won't. Right, drop the temperature now. What you should do, put a thumbprint in the middle, because when it expands, you don't want it to turn into a ball. Just a thumbprint there, like that in the middle. Just drop it in there. Once it's in there, don't touch it. Just leave it, let it cook. I'll put some onion in there as well. Won't need too much, because I'm only going to do 1 burger for now. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil on the onions. Okay, it's been about 3 or 4 minutes. I'm going to turn it over. There we go. Turning into a nice, it's not falling apart at all, as you can see. Okay, we're pretty much done now. It's been on about 7-8 minutes on a slow heat. I haven't done it too hot. As you can see, it's solid as well, hasn't collapsed because I haven't touched it much. I literally just put it on one side and then I did the other side. There we go. Bit of cheese. And I'm going to cover it with this because I haven't got a lid for it, just to keep it, help it melt. Okay, it's been on there for a couple of minutes, and as you can see, it's nicely melted on there. What we're going to do now, the sauce. Some lettuce. Put a tomato at the bottom. Shove a couple of tomatoes there. Burger on top. Onions, as you can see, melted and nice and cooked. Cucumber. That's that done. Put some sauce on it. Oops. Okay, that's not a good idea. I'm going to throw another tomato on top. Put that on top like that. There we go. Okay, all done. What do you reckon? Not bad, is it? So easy to do. And look at the size of that. Compare that to the shop bought burgers. This is a proper burger. This one's made with Worcestershire sauce. So, let's say you can do it with the barbecue sauce, or you can do it with just onion, or you can just do it plain. You know, it's however you want it. Give it a go, see what you think. Put different sauces on top if you want. Not bad, eh? Right, now I'm going to test the other 4. I'm going to get Cara to come down and see which one she prefers. As I said, there are 4 different types. So, see you in a minute. The favourite one that we think we enjoyed the most was the Worcestershire sauce. Definitely was the best. Once you put it into a burger, it was awesome. And it gives it a little kick as well. Something a bit different. So when you make it, people think, it's not like a normal burger. It's totally different when you add this. Barbecue sauce was nice. The thing I would say about that is when you build the burger, it doesn't hold it together very well. It sort of splits up a little bit. So it might be better with this to not add so much and maybe add a bit of breadcrumbs possibly with that to do this one. Or just put less barbecue. Salt and pepper one, an onion one, lovely. That would be nice in the burger as well. Oh, Jake, 1 second. And then salt and pepper one, again, lovely. But those are all standard things. With this in it, the onions and with this in it, gave it a different dimension. It tasted more like you've gone to some posh restaurant and they've done you one of those quality burgers worth about 25 quid, 30 quid. So definitely give this one a go, 100%. I'd recommend all of them if you want to try them all. But this is just so easy to add to it. Maybe I might even add another teaspoonful as well, tablespoonful, to make it give it a little bit of extra kick. So maybe a 1/4 cup of this. So it's up to you. Just add as much as you want. Give it a go, see what you think. If you like what you watched, subscribe, like, tell your friends, and give it a go. Let me know what you think. And see you again soon. Take care. Bye.